Hey guys, today's video is a quick one on this eye look. I used the coloured Raine Vivid Brights palette and I Peaches and Cream Pigment. So if you do want to see how I did this, please stay watching, obviously. You know what I mean. So I'm first going to go in with this dark navy shade. This is called Yacht Life. Taking this vibrant purple, you guys see it? Vibrant purple shade, which is called Perp Smurf. I'm going to blend out that blue with the purple. And then obviously drop my palette. Lovely. I clawed it. Anyway, I'm then going to go in with the bright pink in the palette, which is called Party Drip. I'm just taking a clean brush. I'm going to buff out that pink edge. Taking my concealer again, and I'm going to cut my crease. Taking that same navy that I used before, I'm just going to put it a little bit on the outer and a little bit on the inner. When I say a little, I mean a little. It's really just to sort of blend those edges in, because I want the main feature to be the lid shade that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to take the, what's it called? Peaches and Cream Pigment in Peach Planet, and I'm going to put all that all over the lid that is just concealer. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And then going back in with that navy, I'm just going to blend those edges again. I'm going to put some of K. Roseby Poseidon pigment in the middle, because I really want that to be the emphasis there. I feel like it's missing somewhat where the colours join, so I'm actually going to take Bossed Up, which is like this pinky purple shade, and see if that will just give it a bit of zhuzh. Right, so once I've done the under eye, I'm going to go in with this is the Daniel Sandler Aqua Velvet pencil. It's just a light blue, and I'm going to put that in my waterline and sort of smudge it into my lashes as well. Going in with the navy blue again, which was called Yacht Life. Going to smudge that over my under my bottom lash line. Getting right to the root. And taking another brush, I'm going to get Perp Smurf. I'm going to go in with the bright pink, which is called Party Drip, and we're going to buff out that purple. I'm just going to put some of the Gleam highlighter from this Tarte contour thing. In a corner, I am also going to put some of that K. Roseby Poseidon. I don't know if you can see that. If I turn there. What do you think? So pretty. So I'm just going to put my mascara and lashes on. The lashes that I'm wearing today are Peaches and Cream in the style 8. So I'm just going to go do that and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. So guys, that is the finished look. What do you think? I'm really sorry I didn't come back on to show you my lashes, putting them on. I forgot, to be honest, because I'm terrible. But yeah, this is the finished look. I like it. Didn't quite go how I wanted it to go. Well, it did, but it's a lot more purple, and I wanted it to be more blue, but I love it still, so you know, I am a purple girl at heart. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!